guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Sims. So, I kind of just paused it since the last time, and even though I said we're gonna wait until we have more money, yeah, we can't wait because she's gonna age up after she wakes up Leanne. Okay, so I thought I would pause it so that you guys wouldn't miss anything, because that'd be mean of me. So yeah. We can unpause it, I guess, and wait to see everybody's reaction. He's coming. Alright, so we are still going to be throwing a party, by the way. Why are you so angry, man? Oh, well then go to the bathroom. No, don't splash in that, sorry. Go back. Okay, so the goal for this video is to get Leanne aged up. Rymel aged up. She's gonna age up right now. Oh my gosh, look at her. Okay. So, we're gonna make Rymel pretty social. Well, mental, social, creative. No. Yeah, we'll do artist. Alright, I guess we gotta pick another one. We'll do cheerful. Okay. Look at her, she's so cute. Look at her. Why is she so sad? Forgotten birthday, Rymel forgotten to have a party for her birthday, or maybe no one wanted to come. Either way, it's very sad. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, yeah, I guess you can sit on the big girl toilet now. Vacation? I guess we gotta get her a new bed. Alright. So, we're not gonna sell this just yet. We're gonna put it into our storage. Okay. I guess we can get rid of this wall because she's not a child anymore. That's cute. Oh no. I like that for her bed. Okay. Sal. You know, for extra money around here, for $4 extra, we're going to change her walls up. Something a little more cute. No. What about that? That's cute. Yes. we're going with this. Okay, so this is gonna be her room. Does that yellow bed go with it? No. Okay. So we're now gonna pick this up and we're gonna sell that. Okay. We're gonna get her a new bed that matches this room a little bit more. Is this a toddler? It's a toddler bed. I still really like this bed. Maybe we can. Is there like a unicorn bed in here? Because that'd be. Yeah. This bed. It's not a toddler bed though. Okay. So we're gonna get her a nightstand. This unicorn nightstand will do fine. She needs a closet or a wardrobe. There. We like that. And we want a window as well. How about let's not have a window actually? How about a mirror? What mirror does she want? How about we put her mirror right here? Cute. We have to get her a little big. We get her one of these and we place it on her nightstand. That's so cute. What about a little lamp? We need a lamp in here. Oh yes. You can put this right here and right there. Awesome. We need one of these toys, for sure. No, I thought it would be big. Yep. Do we want a blue one? Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. I'm literally in love with her new bedroom. Okay. That is so super cute. Awesome, but Rymel, I feel like you need to go to bed, and then in the morning we can. Why can't you come to sleep? Don't tell me this is a toddler bed. I feel like it is though. So that we're gonna get her a new bed. We'll get her this one, because this can't be a toddler bed. There we go. There we go. That looks much better. Perfect. And then, my friend, you need to come sleep, like right now. Thank you, my friend. It's only a matter of time before Leanne or Rymel. No! Oh! Why are you up so early, huh? You should come clean out spoiled food. Oh man, you stink. Or is it you? That's this. Clean that up. Clean up. And you can eat this garden salad. Have a quick meal. You can have applesauce. So I don't think we'll be able to get to Rymel's birthday this video, but that's alright. We can definitely do it in the next video, which will probably be in like 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I think this is going to be it for this video. Well, hopefully we can restyle Rymel. Let's wake her up right now. We need to be woken up. Oh, jeez. I feel so bad. My birthday wasn't yesterday, though. Okay. So, Leanne, you had food. Friendly. Oh, we're just going to discuss local fishing spots, because that's what little children do. Okay, I think I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Okay. Leon, you're going to pay your bills right now. Okay, I seriously need to end this video. Yeah. So, bye guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of me aging up Rymel. Yeah. Bye.